Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ferrari SF90 Stradale full guide. Start by blocking the silhouette with light strokes, focusing on wheel placement and overall proportion. Use simple shapes to mark the cabin, hood, and rear, and keep your lines loose. This approach makes corrections easy and preserves dynamic stance. Keep checking reference angles and adjust the silhouette until the car feels balanced and poised on its wheels. Next, refine the panel lines and start defining the SF90 signature details with a steady hand. Pay attention to the sharp creases, side intakes, and sculpted fenders that give this car its character. Keep referencing your silhouette to ensure every panel flows naturally. Work from large shapes to smaller features like headlights and mirrors, and lighten or darken lines to suggest depth while keeping the design cohesive and readable. Now focus on wheels, depth, and small hardware to sell the drawing as a believable SF90. Ensure the rims sit correctly in perspective and the spokes curve around the hub. Add brake calipers and discs for realism, then mark doors, mirrors, and badges. Use subtle reflective lines to indicate glossy paint and highlight edges. These smaller details bring the car to life and reward close inspection with authentic character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.